Hello, my name is Laura Jefferson. In the following short but controversial skincare expose, I will reveal the one amazing little secret that has been long suppressed by Big Pharma to safely and naturally treat hyperpigmentation of the skin, such as melasma, dark spots on the face or body, as well as generally lightening your skin tone. And this can be done at home, by yourself, without the need for the dangerous and often deadly treatments such as hydroquinone creams and serums, steroids and chemical peels. Even sidestepping alternative therapies and supplements such as glutathione and completely ineffective do-it-yourself skin whitening creams. Not to mention you will be saving a vast amount of money and protecting your valuable health. Think of how you feel right now. I'm sure that you, just like the other millions of people who suffer every day with the social and mental damage from their hyperpigmentation troubles, are feeling low in confidence and self-esteem. You're probably feeling hopeless with your condition, whether it be your melasma, dark lips, dark circles under the eyes, dark underarms or inner thighs, or maybe even your general skin color is directly affecting your everyday life. Well, what if I told you that this horrible burden that you carry can be thrown away for good? In the next few minutes, you'll discover that the skin problems you are facing are in fact completely reversible and curable. All the worries, all the anxieties, all the mental and social problems you face can just float away. And truly, if you don't pay attention now, things will not change and may even get worse. Even though it may seem totally impossible to you now, I'll show you exactly how over 35,000 people just like you are lightening their skin and reversing pigmentation skin conditions that are affecting directly their day-to-day lives in as little as 72 hours. Even if your doctor has already told you that your problem is completely hopeless and permanent. Even if your skin and body has not responded to drugs and creams. You can now stay clear of dangerous skin whitening chemicals such as the highly dangerous chemical hydroquinone, which can cause numerous side effects including serious contact dermatitis and has been banned in many countries, including the whole of Europe, for use in cosmetics. You can now stay clear of any treatment containing mercury, which causes irreversible effects such as brain damage, kidney problems and nerve damage. You can stay clear of creams with steroids, which cause weight gain, stretch marks, inability to conceive, and in some cases, a malfunction of the adrenal glands, also known as Cushing's disease. And just about any other dangerous treatment, such as expensive dermabrasion or chemical peels. Not in months, but in a few short days, you can be saying goodbye to your skin worries for good. You'll shock the big pharma companies as they will never see you buying another dangerous and ineffective cream again. You'll shock your friends and family with your newfound confidence and lease of life as your skin worries and anxieties are absolved. You'll shock the opposite sex with your new lease of life and get-go. You'll soon have more confidence to go out there and try new things and take on new experiences that you previously never thought you could have. Maybe you would hit the beach in your brand new bikini, or you'll finally go out with your new skirt and sandals. The possibilities are endless. If you watch this video to the very end, you'll see just how easy it is to hack your body's pigmentation system and actually reduce the darkness of your skin. How you can permanently even out skin tone from the comfort of your own home in as little as 72 hours. This secret comes directly from a 78-year-old doctor who decided to spill the beans and get revenge on the pharmaceutical skin companies. And this remarkable beauty secret has been written about in dozens of medical journals and featured in magazines. But Big Pharma is trying to suppress this information because it's easier and far more profitable to sell expensive creams to cover up the symptoms over a patient's lifetime instead of permanently healing the cause. By 2018, the skin lightening industry is set to be worth $19.8 billion US. Yes, billion. It's no wonder they don't want this information to get out to the public. Here's what other people just like yourself have to say about this secret.
Hi, I'm Lara, and at first I was very skeptical when I first heard about a secret way to lighten your skin without using any creams or